This is Stackbit 1248, a Metalwallet that allows you to back up your seed in a safe and resistant way. Let's take a look at how to protect your keys using this wallet. First, write down your 12 or 24 words on a piece of paper. Access this website, which is Bitcoin's official repository, and write down the number of each word right beside them. Let's take the first word to see how it works. In this case, the word is tank, number 1774 on the word list. In the image, you can see that each line is divided into 4 squares, each dedicated to one number. You can get numbers from 0 to 2 on the first square and from 0 to 9 on the other 3. Each square represents the sum of the numbers punched inside it. Not punching any numbers means 0. Punching one or more numbers means the sum of those numbers. This way, it is possible to form any number among the 2048 possible words from the list. An interesting tip is, use a pen and verify whether all the words are correct before punching the numbers, so that you can correct something if it's necessary. For the word 1774, we will punch the number 1 on the first square, the numbers 1, 2, and 4, which sum 7 in the second and third squares, and the number 4 on the last square. Repeat that process for all 12 or 24 words. When you're done, remove the sticker, burn it along your notes, and store your Stackbit in a safe place.